Hey everybody, how's it going? If you're tired of hitting your head against the wall when it comes to Airtable's limited features for handling UX and UI, then you will definitely enjoy this video. As you will know, for instance, Airtable will not allow you to collapse groups, as I'm currently doing right here, nor it will allow you to have different colors for the background of your group, right? By default, backgrounds will be that bluish to grayish color that you've seen. However, we can achieve this kind of changes and many others that you can yourself come up with by handling or making small changes to the HTML behind this site, right? If you have no clue of what I'm making reference to, do not worry, we'll get there in a minute. What you will need to such effect is, for sure, your Airtable setup, Tampermonkey, which we will get to in a minute, and most probably you will want to leverage ChatGPT. So take a look at the following. Tampermonkey, if you access tampermonkey.net, is a web extension. In this case, I'm running a Chrome extension. So make sure to download the corresponding version. And then if we access Tampermonkey, you'll get this pop-up right here. By clicking dashboard, you'll get your installed user scripts. This will be blank for you, so you will probably be prompted to generating or creating a new script. In this case, as you can see, I have the two scripts that are making the corresponding changes for selecting a color for the corresponding group and for collapsing the corresponding sections. Let's just click on the plus button, and this is where you will be typing such scripts. By the way, as mentioned, we will definitely want to use ChatGPT to such effect. So, rounding up, if we make changes to the HTML behind the site, we will be able to change some specific features like this, okay? Let's go with ChatGPT. So basically, if we type a super lean prompt in this case, you will probably want to be way more specific than what I'm being. But if we say, would you help me write a Tampermonkey script that will allow me to collapse groups on Airtable interfaces? What data do you need me to share with you? So if we give ChatGPT a second, you'll see that after handling different or bringing up different issues, they will be asking about the HTML structure. Specifically, can you inspect the HTML elements of the group headers in Airtable and share their CSS classes or HTML structure? What that means is that if we right-click on our site and we click on inspect, we will be shown the full HTML for it, okay? What I'd love to see is what's the structure for this specific group or any of these groups actually, but I'll take one as an example. So in order to find that easily, I will copy what says contact details. I'll come here, I'll control search or control find, and I'll say contact details. Okay, I'm therefore kind of prompted or taken here. And the idea is that I will want to find the corresponding section where we need or where we want to have the button for collapsing, right? So take a look at the following. As I hover through these ones, different items on my site are highlighted. This one is the one I want to use. So I'll screenshot this and I will let ChatGPT know that this right here is highlighting the full group. So this is the full group. I'd love to have the button on the top right. By doing that, ChatGPT will be probably sharing a script with us, okay? I will not be testing this script with you. But this is the idea, okay? And this is what a script will look like. Once ChatGPT is done sharing the script with us, we will copy this, we will paste it here, and we will save it, okay? Couple of things that might come up when building this. do note that if you request ChatGPT to write a script which will collapse this full section that you currently see, the header will be collapsed as well, and therefore you will not be able to see what group this is making reference to. So on an iteration of the script, what you will want to do actually is say, hey, actually have the button on the top right of this element right here, but only collapse this element right here. So you will be also sharing a screenshot of this. Once again, you will need to iterate a couple of times on the corresponding scripts, but this is the idea of how you would set this up. So once again, you would paste the corresponding script there, and then you'll want to make sure that it is turned on, okay? Let me know what use cases you come up with. These are two super fun use cases, and I will be sharing the script. Also, do take into consideration that if the group has simple fields, as it does have here, the HTML structure will be one. However, if you have a list view within it, the HTML structure might differ. And furthermore, if you have, for instance, a grid view within it, it will once again differ. Therefore, you will need once again to iterate on your script to handle different edge cases. Having said that, do have fun with it, play around with it, and let me know what you come up with.